1935.
I see that, like, old.
It took 20,000 men almost 5 years to complete. And if you take a look out the left side of the bus, you'll see the train depot that they took the men and the materials all down to the dam construction site. And there's some of the cars that actually took them down there. Now, these men worked 363 days a year. They were only off on July 4th and Christmas Day. Now, the company that built Hoover Dam was actually a conglomerate of 6 different companies, and they chose the imaginative name of 6 Companies Limited. They had to build everything. They had to build the roads, the railroads, the infrastructure for the town, the housing for the workers and the managers. They even had to do the landscaping. Boulder City was actually one of the first planned communities in the United States. Now, 6 Companies Limited did not want their workers drinking and gambling here in Boulder City. So to this day, Boulder City is one of only 2 cities in Nevada that don't allow gambling. They didn't even allow alcohol sales until 1978, and then they got their priorities straight.
Boulder City.
Now, 91 men did die during the construction of the dam, and in a tragic twist of fate, the first man to die and the last man to die were father and son.
We won't be. We're leaving. We're leaving.
I don't know what the numbers are.
Start downtown.
I've probably already been recorded. Yeah. So this stuff is like they were like actual residents.